Today, we are going to share bakery items names in English with pictures. Let's start the video. Gingerbread man. This is gingerbread man. Cream. This is cream. Cookies. This is cookies. Easter bunny. This is Easter bunny. Gingerbread house. This is gingerbread house. Cupcakes. This is cupcakes. Fruit pancake. This is fruit pancake. Sundae. This is sundae. Doughnuts. This is doughnuts. Chocolate milk coffee. This is chocolate milk coffee. Icing cream. This is icing cream. Fruit ice cream. This is fruit ice cream. Chocolate pancakes. This is chocolate pancakes. Vanilla cupcake. This is vanilla cupcake. Sugar candy. This is sugar candy. Chocolate pastry. This is chocolate pastry. Hot dog. This is hot dog. Granola. This is granola. Apple cake. This is apple cake. Gelato ice cream. This is gelato ice cream. Graham crackers. This is graham crackers. Colorful cookies. This is colorful cookies. Mocha cupcake. This is mocha cupcake. Creamy pie cake. This is creamy pie cake. Chocolate muffin. This is chocolate muffin. Frosting cupcake. This is frosting cupcake. Cream puff. This is cream puff. Madeleine cake. This is Madeleine cake. Chocolate Swiss roll. This is chocolate Swiss roll. Cake. This is cake. Milk cream chocolate bar. This is milk cream chocolate bar. It is also called mini cookies. Cake slices. This is cake slices. Raspberry and lemon pie cake. This is raspberry and lemon pie cake. Chocolate cupcake. This is chocolate cupcake. Cocktail with ice cream. This is cocktail with ice cream. Pound cake. This is pound cake. Drinks. This is drinks. Christmas cupcake. This is Christmas cupcake. Thanks for watching. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.